Hello guys, this is Mr. Dio doing some now vlogs here and I'm back to you with another new vlog and of course yes this is another one tickle vlog. Yep, since I didn't want to film any clips other clips too, yep, but of course yeah. But anyway just a recap of it here, I just worked again and I just went on home, I just went on a bit of a logger walk over to the Valley's Bowl area back, yep. That was fun. Then I just listened to a bit of K-Rock Vice News, had supper, then that was all, yep. But of course, yeah, we did enjoy my day too, yep. Yeah, we actually chopped 55 sets of potatoes altogether, yep. We'll be doing the same tomorrow, yep, and then yeah. Yep, and then Friday will be just 40, yep. Always, but anyway, yeah. Because that's all, but anyway, yep. So, of course, but then after work today, however, I've actually got my second dose of TV's, over at the one on Woodpark Lane, yep, I this time I got myself an honey cooler donut, a Canadian hot chocolate with 2 sauces special again, and of course I also got yeah, that was all, yep. And of course and then after we just went on back home, and of course we just had my honey cooler donut and I had my hot chocolate on the way home, and of course yeah, then after that I just got on my walk. Yep, which only took about I see was in a couple hours, give or take. Yep. Oh, then that was all. But then of course on news I also learned more of the snowstorm coming tomorrow. Yep. But of course yeah, but the snowstorm over here will be or like the it's called a winter storm. Yep, but she's gonna be been snow early in the morning over here in the afternoon, then it's taking over to ice pellets and rain toward the I say mid to late morning, and then into the early afternoon. Yep, and toward the afternoon also, then taking back the snow and with very high winds for even, yep. Oh yeah. Yep. We guys up to 1:15, 1:30, yep. That'll give us a few hours of blizzard like conditions, yep. Oh yeah. Yep, and of course that'll be our first basically like snowfall since snow began in 2020. Yep. Yep, and of course in case guys forgot about snow began in 2020, that's actually brought us lots of snow, and in terms of the wind chills in my teens and 20s. Yep. And of course, yeah, and of course, the wind guys at one point in the evening up to 157 kilometers an hour. Yep, yep, and of course, but however, many parts of Greater St. John's had lost power, but of course, not us out yet, not us, just yep. We actually just it only blinked a few times. Yep, and then by the time it was over, we were under an a very freezing Arctic air mass. Yep. Oh yeah, and of course I've actually vlogged doing some like if you remember my past vlogs from January 17th to the 21st, I think it was 20th or the 21st. I've actually recorded earlier one take of vlog on the 16th before the blizzard. At the end of vlog during the blizzard, at the end of course the vlog right after the blizzard. Yep, the day after it was a 3-day vlog which is recorded on the 18th to the 20th. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep, and of course, yeah. And of course, you guys got to see firsthand how the storm was meaning the aftermath. Yep, and I believe in the vlog during the blizzard. I've actually give you a peek of it through the window. Yep. But of course, yeah. But of course, and of course, that was literally over a year ago. Yep, it was nearly 2 years ago now. But of course, yeah. But of course, it was also just a couple months before we had our first ever pandemic known as the COVID-19 pandemic. Yep, we just had locked us down for a few months, but then and then after that it was off and on throughout the rest of 2020 and 2021. Yep, but we're now as for COVID, we are having a scattered few cases yep, throughout the course of the year. Yep. Oh yeah. And of course, now there's a new variant going across North America. Yep, from the same place where hurricanes that come from. Yeah, which is South Africa. Yep. Oh yeah, that was known as the Omicron variant. Yep, and of course, will it come here? Well, we'll see. Yep, I really hoping that it stays to the west and the southwest of us. But of course, you never know. Blog keep following the news about COVID like I've been doing over the past year. Yep. Yes, but of course, because if it does reach Newfoundland, including the Avalon, Greatest St. Johnston, then they say if it gets a lot of cases in that area, then they say we could go on lockdown again. But of course, we really see what happens. But of course, last time we had a COVID variant here, it was back in it was in early mid February 20 well, it was this year. Yep. And of course, yeah, I'm happy that they played all 12 since it was earlier this year. Of course, yep. So of course, the week started off like a normal. We were still on level 2. Yep, and we messed it up in the places since I was in August 2020. Yep, but then throughout the week I was just getting as much fresh air as possible, as much walks as possible. But of course, that week it was also warm, especially went from the 3rd to the 4th to the 6th. Yep, and then of course after that but then of course it was yeah, because it was a warm few days. Yep, and I've got out and enjoyed it. Yep, and of course I've actually gone on walks with my sweater and cap on over to around Paradise. Yep. ice, but of course, it also taught out my bike again. At the end of the week, so I think it was February 5th. Yep. And then, of course, and then that evening, of course, I obviously decided to head over to Starbucks in Paradise again, which I did, and of course, which I enjoyed too. Yep. But then, of course, and then the following day, I obviously went into to to rent names in Alice Beach. Yep. For a day, we had a big old gathering of family. Yep. Oh yeah, it's always fun. But then the following day was it was no, but then it took only about a a couple of days. I think for these to change, and then as a long behold, we had a new variant on the on the Northeast Avalon. Yep. I can't remember what that was called, but of course, but of course, I do know is that when I was in the Starbucks that even I actually never knew it at the time until the government posted about that over a few days later, early the following week, it actually posted a number of locations with COVID exposure. Yep, including this Starbucks in Paris. So of course, yeah, after finding that out, I I I've actually learned that I had to get tested for COVID. Yep. Oh yeah, and of course, yeah, because we actually booked it. I think it was I think it was a day before. Then we actually went went to the school, one of the schools in Mount Pearly. The following evening, it was it was we were having a snowstorm um in the evening. Yep, and then of course of course right where we were getting tested, there was an news briefing um on one of our local news stations. Yep, and of course that was about the the new variant of COVID. Yep, and then of course right when when we got tested this that evening, lo and behold, right at midnight, yeah, as we got tested, we went on lockdown for a second time. Yep. And of course, yeah. But this time I was stuck at home quarantine. Yep. Yeah, we all were. Yep. Of course, I was over here for 2 weeks. Yep. And of course, during that 2 weeks, I was just doing a lot of relaxing, both in the room and in my room. And of course, and I listened to a lot of local radio, including K-Rock. Yep, and of course, yeah. Yep, I enjoyed it. I was also using my computer a lot. Yeah, doing all the normal activities in my room. Yep, and of course, yeah, but of course, eventually once my quarantine was up uh, on the 22nd of February, I've actually finally got out on the rock again. Yep, yep, and of course, that that day it was also sunny. Yep. Oh yeah, yes, but of course, yeah, and then of course, a few days later, we finally hit back to our moms for the first time in what was it? It's early February. It's always in I think it was late February. Where we left where we left mommy's last. Yep. Don't that period. Yep. Oh yeah. But of course, anyway, yeah. and of course we were locked down. Well, it was full lockdown. I believe it was for a month, and then and then of course after that we actually started go down to go down a little bit, 12 miles away from we were down to level 4 by by what we said oh, let's see, mid-March. Yep, and then we skipped two levels we went back down to level 2 in very late March. Yep, and we went on a level 2 since then. Yep, and of course that is pretty great. Yep, to be on level 2 for the longer period. Yep, and of course throughout the course of level 2 since March, we received several cases just slightly above that, and of course yeah, but of course we never seen no upticks in the cases throughout, especially over here. Yep, which is good. Yep, and of course, but then eventually once when everyone got vaccinated over time, we actually we actually finally got the opportunity to not where I'm actually in public places. Yep, like in stores and restaurants. Yep, so of course so I actually took the opportunity to not wear a mask those few weeks, and of course but then eventually in the late September of this year, I caught my first cold in 2 years. Yep. Oh yeah, but of course and of course I was I was not feeling well those last few days of September and early October. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah. Those days I had a cold. Yep. But of course yeah. But of course the cold I had was of course it was it was one of my worst colds. Yep. Yep, I was feeling tired a lot, and of course I was feeling very stuffy. Yep, and of course yeah. But of course after taking some medication for it, I've actually recovered very fast. But eventually I fully recovered. Well, obviously I think it was a week or two after. Yep. Oh yeah. So cause yeah, that was up in then of course not once health officials learned about the flu season, they actually decided to bring back the mask mandate. Yep, which is a good idea. So of course this was, I think it was early October. So of course ever since that day when they brought it back, I've been wearing mask in places. Yep. Oh yeah, and of course all is good. Yeah, I've been I'm good and well ever since I fully recovered from the cold, and I'm really hoping that I don't catch any colds for the rest of the year in 2022. Yep, indeed. Yep, but anyway, yeah, indeed. Yep, but anyway, yeah, but of course, yeah, but of course, I would do a lot of talking about COVID-19 and influenza trying to pass the few minutes. Yep. Yes, but of course, as for As for the last blizzard that we had in 2020, we actually we were locked down for we had our first lockdown of the year in what was it was in it was done and we'd have to stop again. Yep, and of course and then before snow again, I was working. Yep. Oh yeah, and of course yep. And of course back then I was peeling potatoes. Yep. Yeah, but I was doing a lot of that. Went from 2019 to right before COVID happened. Yep, and of course yeah. But then yeah, don't lockdown for snow again. Once they clear the roads off, I was managed to go on some walks throughout the touch area. Yep, and of course, then of course it actually never took off into and um which is the following week or maybe well, was it the late the following week? Yep. After stomach again. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. But of course that was pretty all. Yeah. Yep. So anyway, yeah. And of course, one other dimension is that it's just that after this week, which be the weekend, I don't know what I got planned. Yep, because I won't know anything till Friday. So yeah, that's all. Yep. So of course, anyway, so if Sunday I'll be heading back to mom's again. Yep. For another week, it's gonna be my final week and mom's before Christmas. Yep. Oh yeah. If we after Christmas, by the time we see mom again. Yep. It's indeed. But anyway, yeah. So of course we actually still below our plans for Christmas yet. But I think we'll probably know the week of. The next time between the 19th and the 24th. Yep. But of course, yeah. But I'm really hoping that Christmas Eve I'll be off. But of course, yeah. But of course, anyway, but of course, because I think after this week I'll be working. I say to work for 2 or 3 days and try next few weeks. Yep. But of course, I wish you would have this for the week of Christmas. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. But of course, yeah. But anyway, because actually now I'm hoping to go to my cousin's house for the regular family gathering friend gathering on Christmas Eve. Then I see we open gifts and then having some gigs dinner with family. Then and see in the same Boxing Day. Yep. Oh yeah. And then of course after Christmas I'll be I'll be working again that week. And then I see we off on I see it'll be the usual days working. Then and then after that I say I'll probably be off New Year's too. That's of course include New Year's Eve. But of course we'll see. I won't know till around the end of December. Yep. But of course, yep. There's always a hope. Yep. Yes. Oh yeah. Yep. So yeah. And of course, once 2022 was around, throughout the next throughout the winter months, I say I say I've been working the the same amount of days as I'm working next week onward. I say we're up to I say March sometime, and then this will slowly start to pick up after that. Yep, yep. With the food trucks opening, and more events are going during the summer. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. And of course, and I'm really hoping that from June to September of 2022, I'll be able to go a lot to enjoy the summer. Like go lots of bike rides and hopefully suntan, and of course relax. Yep. Because we'll see what happens. It's only December yet, and that's another, I say, 6 or 7 months, give or take. Yep. Oh yeah. It's been anyway, yeah. So anyways, so that's all I gotta talk about at the moment. So yeah. But of course, I so hope you enjoy the vlog, and of course there'll be no vlog caught up to, don't you worry. And of course I will feature some motorcycles of a storming in the snow, and of course yeah, and some um free cool shots of the snowfall toward the evening at 12. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. And I'm sure you guys will definitely enjoy that. Yep. Yeah. Sorry for the first snowfall of this season. Yep. Busy snowfall days. Yep. 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 There'll be a few clips in beginning part of the vlog showing you guys all the snow, like I started, and of course like the views. I mean when I'm on break or whatever. Yep. And of course at home. Yep. And it seems to be on Friday when I'll be shoving out the driving for. Yep. Oh, so we are Friday. Yep. Yep. Getting the days mixed up again. Yes. My bad, sorry, but anyway, yeah. So of course, yeah, and I've already talked about what I named those vlogs last week, but of course, yeah, but we'll keep it with those things. But of course, so it won't be too find out, by 12. Yep. And Friday. Yep. Oh yeah. But of course, because I'll tell you one thing for sure. The next couple of vlogs will be epic, which you guys will be happy about. Yep. Yep. Oh yes. Yep. And can we to show the shots of the snow toward Friday. Yep. Oh yeah. Can't be believe. Yeah. I just hope you enjoyed the vlog area. And of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow during the snowstorm. Yep. Oh yeah. So of course, over and out, and enjoy the next couple of vlogs also. Yep. Short week. Yep. Oh yeah. Stay tuned.